It's springtime. Let me show you how to make these flowers with a toilet paper roll. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. The supplies you'll need are 2 toilet paper rolls, paint, a colored sheet of paper, and scissors. Start off by cutting the toilet paper roll in half. Then fold it in half to make the shape of 2 flower petals. Dip it in the paint and stamp it on the paper to make flowers. Next, take the other half of the toilet paper roll, roll it into a circle for the center of the flowers. Dip it into the paint and stamp. Take your last toilet paper roll and fold it flat for the stems. The last part is to open up the toilet paper roll to make the shape of leaves. And this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.